Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a quick, easy, budget-friendly summer meal that your kids are going to love, let me show you how I make my Mexican pizzas. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so for this recipe, we're going to begin by making our sauce. To a small saucepan, add 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 3/4 of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and all of our spices that will always be listed in the description box. Now we're going to set it over medium heat, give it a good mix, and bring it to a simmer. Alright guys, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it, and if you want it to be a little bit more spicy, you can add a little bit more cayenne pepper, but now we're just going to reduce it to low and allow it to continue simmering for about 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 10 minutes, our sauce should have reduced a bit, and at this point it is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can make our meat. Okay, now to make the meat, set your pan over medium-high heat and allow it to get nice and hot. Once ready, add 2 pounds of lean ground beef and just begin to break it down. And here we're going to season it with 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, oregano, ground cumin, and onion powder. Okay, we're just going to mix it. Allow it to cook for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, add your Roma tomato and onion. Now just mix it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove any grease that your meat might let out and add 2 tablespoons of the sauce that we just made, along with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in a 1/4 cup of water. So now just mix it all together and allow it to cook for another minute. Okay, and just like that, our meat is done. So now we can get ready to work on our tortillas. Okay, now at this point, you want to have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now for each pizza, we're going to be using 2 flour tortillas. This is the brand that I'm using, but of course you can use your favorite. So here I have my comal preheating at medium heat. Just going to add a little bit of oil. Okay, and once it's nice and hot, add your flour tortilla. Make sure to poke holes on it. And we're just going to lightly fry that side. Okay, after the minute, we can flip it over and allow that side to get nice and golden. Okay, once we have lightly fried our tortillas, we're going to place them in our oven for 5 minutes and allow them to get nice and crispy. Alrighty, and once they're done, they should be nice and crispy. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by adding a layer of our refried beans. On top of that, we're going to add our taco meat. So here, add some cheese. This is going to be the glue for our other tortilla. Now, top it with the other tortilla. And here, we're going to add our sauce. Top it with some more cheese. So here we have tomatoes, green onion, black olives. I love jalapenos, so that's a must. Now here we're going to transfer it back to our baking sheet, place it back in the oven, and allow that cheese to melt. Alrighty guys, and once they're out of the oven, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These are here are seriously super delicious. I am so ready, so cheers and enjoy. They're crispy, cheesy, full of flavor. Definitely better than Taco Bell. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my Mexican pizzas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.